Hello everybody, welcome to the Interballs. We are coming at you live, not live because you are on the Interballs, because we had a couple of little bits of information for you. That's right, it's almost 10 years since we uploaded our first video. It was January the 9th,
2008.
Whatever 10 years ago
Because it's 2018 now.
whatever 10 years ago was. And so we've got a big and epic and special video coming out for you guys on that day. If you watch it with your friends, save it till you got some mates with you. And watch it with your mates because they will enjoy it. It's big screen worthy, isn't it, Martin?
Yeah, it's big screen. It's epic. It's an adventure. All the best things are adventures.
Yeah, it's great. So you're going to be seeing some new stuff, some old stuff. Actually, nothing old. It's all new, kind of old. Anyway, it's going to be rad. So check that out. Before that comes out, there is another episode that's coming out this afternoon. It's like we're uploading that in a couple of hours. It'll come out soon after this one. So if you're watching this one, check back and there'll probably be another new video since you've seen this. What are we going to see in that one, Martin, in today's episode?
A little bit of action. Check it out. It's a motor that's got like an unbalanced weight thing on it. There's a lot of smoke coming out of that. I think it's on fire.
Okay,
Yeah,
so there it is. Not quite exactly sure what that is, but the reason we're on the road is that we've just had a phone call and we have a delivery coming, Martin.
That's right. A delivery that's bigger than we can fit anywhere that we have.
It's just like the biggest thing ever, so we're going to pick that up now. Our delivery's in the back of that truck. It's like way bigger than I thought it would be.
Massive.
It's huge. That's us, man, in there. Wow.
Huge.
Grab the other side of that, Marty. Oh. That's pretty cool.
So keen. It's actually a real thing.
It's funny, of all the cars we did this year, this is the biggest project we've done.
Yeah.
Like the biggest, the longest, the most comprehensive.
Yeah. Some mad mates to help us do it. Pretty cool.
Oh, Martin. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Go.
Hello. Ah.
Right,
All right, now are you ready?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
Oh, yes. Look at that, man.
Looks awesome. Hardcover.
10 years of Mighty Car Mods. All now in a coffee table book.
I know that guy.
Oh, dude.
How good is it? How many pages?
Yes.
How many pages did it end up being? A lot.
It was 125, 130.
A mad index page.
Anyway, there it is. The cars of Mighty Car Mods. A decade's worth of mods. And this is available right now for you with worldwide shipping. Get on it.